students and working accountants. Welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. As I told you already, due to some reasons, I was not able to make some videos for the last, again we got gap of 4 or 5 days, and hereafter all the videos will be on regular basis, no problem. Okay, and now back to our topic. Today in this video, our topic for discussion is company data backup and company backup data restore. Restore the data or backup data, data backup and restore data. First of all, you have to know, that is the thing. I will share the screen. So this is what we are going to learn now. See how to take data backup and restore data, and how to configure the what you call configure the data path in Tally Prime. So this is what we are going to learn, and this is given here in this one. What is data backup and restore? How to do it in Tally Prime? This one you have to do. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to know what is meant by this data backup and this one. And see, when you are working with in the Tally Prime, working in the means we are making the entries in the Tally Prime, entering the data. Entries are called data. So when you are making the entries or entering the data in the Tally Prime, this data which we are entering is called the original data. The original data will be stored in a particular place. Here the places are, we call the place as drive. So in a particular drive, the data will be saved or stored. And then, which is always it is better, we have to take a copy of the original data, and store it in some other place or some other location called some other drive. Suppose you are having the original data in E drive and keep the copy of the original data in some other drive, D drive or F drive, whatever it may be, another drive, not in the same drive. So keep in another drive. This is called data backup. This is called data backup. If for any reason, due to any reason, the original data which is stored in one place, the original data is lost or corrupted or deleted by mistake. By mistake it is deleted or it is lost, some reason, and it is corrupted. In such case, the data taken in the backup, so we kept the data in the backup, so that backup will be brought back. Again, it will be brought back to the into the place of the original data. So it will be brought back to use in the place of the original data. It is called data restore or restore data. It is called restore. So taking the backup, keeping in some other place, and bringing it back into the original place, and it is using again, it is called what you call it as restore of data. But the backup will be there always. The backup will be there. The copy we will bring it back and we use the restore the data, but the backup file will be there. So the file will be data will be in both the places. Okay, this is called the data. So the original data will be stored in particular place. If the by mistake the data is deleted or corrupted, or the system due to computer failure or crash, then the original data will be closed. Then it cannot get it back. We cannot get it back. When it is lost, we cannot get it back, isn't it? So what we have to do is we have to make the entries, or we have to enter the data. Again, we have to enter the data. For example, if you make the entries or data is entered for 11 months, in the 12th month it is something happened. So for all the 11 months, we have to make the entries, or we have to enter the data again. It will take a lot of time. It will take lot of time, or sometimes we may not be able to enter the whole data again. So in this case, to save this problem from this problem, we use data backup, and if the data is lost, we get it back with the use of data restore or restore data. Okay, restore data. This is the use of data backup and restore data. Okay, and there is Another important, very important use of backup and use of backup is the data can be transferred or from one drive to another drive through one drive to another drive, as well as through pen drive, email, or Google Drive. This data backup can be shared with accountants, stakeholders. Stakeholders means the persons who have interest in the company, like management, proper owners, management owners, or board of directors. Creditors also, they have interest because they are giving credit to they're selling goods or giving loans to the company. Okay, so they have interest in the company. So all these persons, we can share the data with the help of the backup. Also, this backup data backup can be used for work at home also. For working at home, working from home, so we can get the data backup, and with that we can use in our system. We can restore and we can use in the home also. And also, when we have to share our data, company, tally data with auditors, we have to send the data to auditor for auditing or preparing the final accounts and other financial reports. So we need to take the computer to them. Desktop and laptop, we can carry it to the office, but desktop we cannot take. That is why if we take the backup of the data backup can be sent to the auditor. He will restore that in his system, and he will make all the things, auditing and all, preparing all the required financial statements. This is the very use of the backup data. Okay, now we will see how to do that. See here, I opened the Tally Prime. So in this, first by default, it will go to the select company page, the total list of companies. In that, select a company, list of companies, all the list is given. You see here, our original data is in F drive Tally Prime data. This is the original data path. That's also original data drive is this one. And in this, there are 4 companies. All this data in these companies is the original data. Okay. Now, how to take the backup? Now, select the company. In any company, or we can do without going there. See here on the top, we have Alt Y is the short key, the data. So click the data, or click here Alt Y. So there is a small drop down menu. In that, go to first one is backup. Select backup and click it. Now on the right side, the list of companies with the original data and with the original path. See, this F drive Tally Prime data, and there are 4 companies. This is the list of companies. All this is the original data. On the left side, so what I do now, we have selected backup data. So select companies for backup. So what are the companies to be backed up? So now we have to select, and before that, we have to give the original, the path, destination path for the backup. So for the backup, we have to give the destination path. By default, it will show C. Okay. Here, I told you already, C is very dangerous. So never take the backup or anything in the C drive. Okay. So go to some other drive, and our original data is in F drive. So that also, the original data, the drive or the place where our original data is stored, we should not take that one, because in the same place we take backup also. Both are in the same drive. There is no use. That is why don't do that also. Don't go for that. So take up another one. So here, how to select another drive? So C ruled out, and the original data is in F drive. So avoid that and go for another drive. In that case, so click backspace, and click backspace and go to backup destination path. Here on the right side, there are 2 options here. This is shown here. C. We told you there are many folders here. You can take the backup in anything, but I told you already, don't use C. Okay. Now there are 2. There is one is select from drive, another is specified path. That means we have to store the backup data in one drive. So the drive can be selected from the drive. That is what is the drive we have to select. Because if you select that, all the drives will be available. In that, you can select one particular drive. In that drive, you can select a file for the backup. That is called select from data drive. Second one, specify path means you will not select that. We will specify which drive which drive we want to store that, take the backup and the name of the backup file also. In the case of select from drive, we will select the drive as well as in that drive, we will select the file also. That is the backup file. But in the path, we have to give the path as well as this one also. First, we will go to select from drive. If you select from drive, click it. So then all the drives are available. Drives and some other folders. So in this case, our original data is in F drive. So leave that. Go to G. If you take G drive, so enter, again enter. See here. So backup destination path we selected G. So G drive, and in the G drive, in the G drive, see here, there is already one file backup. So G drive backup. In the G drive backup, click that. Okay, once again click. So here, destination path is G drive backup. Okay, in the G drive backup, and our original path and the companies are there. So we can select any company. For example, this company, if you want to select, if you select, it will go there to the what you call backup folder. It will go there. Okay, this is the thing from select from drive, and the work here will be the same in the other case also, but the work will be different. You see, if you take select from path and click that, we have to give the path. For example, G drive, G : backup, and date you give 15. Today is 15, 15/1/23. Sorry. Not this one. So you have to go back to, the destination path, then specify path, UT G drive : backup 15/1/23. So here it is asking, this drive is not, this folder is not available. G backup 15/1/23 does not exist. Do you want to create? Yes. Just click one. So here that is given. See, backup, that folder is given, and click that folder is there. So the destination path is G backup, the file which we created through specify path, and our companies are there. Now you see, hereafter, in first case, select from drive as well as specify, in both the cases, that is two are available. Only the difference is in the backup destination path. Selecting the destination path, these two are available, and after that the work is saved. You select first company, so select second. So whatever companies we want to backup, generally it is better to take backup all the companies. I will take only 2 companies and then go to end of list. Okay. Now see, backup is completed. The file, the data will be as it is, but the copy is taken to D drive. We will check up whether in the D drive the copy is available or not. Go to, so this PC, go to this PC. We made it G drive. In the G drive, see, backup 15/1/23. In the first one, we had not taken any backup. Okay, we have not taken any backup. So now this one, in this one. So select this. So we have taken backup for 2 companies. That is 21/22 and another company. Okay, 21/22 bill-wise entries and electronic house. Okay, so this is number 1 and this is number 2. The backup file, the name will be TBK 900. It starts like that. That is the default. TBK means tally backup. TBK means tally backup. So tally backup 900. That is the default number, and then underscore the company number. Every company will have a number in the select company page. When a company is created, by default the company tally will give a number. So this is the number of the company, 10,000, 10,002, and this is the file. Okay, and this is the backup file. So we got the backup. Okay, like this we have to take the backup. Okay, so now we have taken the backup. Everything is okay, fine. Now, backup is completed, number, everything, we have checked up whether it is backed up or not, everything is there. So now the tally, in this tally, in the F drive tally frame data, original data is there. And the backed up data is available in G drive. In G drive, backup data. Here there are 4 companies. We get backed up, we taken the backup of only 2 companies. And if you take the backup of other companies also, they will also be available there. Okay. For example, now next one is we go to learn about restore of data. So we have learned about backup of data. Now restore data, how to restore the data means if any data or any company is damaged, the data is corrupted, the data is lost, or the company itself is by mistake it is deleted, then what we have to do, from there we can bring back to the original page that will be available there. That the copy again, from that one will bring the copy here. Okay. For example, now the first company which I have taken the backup, 2 companies. The first company, what I am doing is I am deleting this. See, but I am deleting now to know, but actually by mistake if it is deleted, Alt D. Alt D means it is deleted. Are you sure? Yes. See here. See, company is deleted. Only 3 are there. First company, bill-wise entry. Bill-wise entry 2122. That is not available. So it is lost. Now what we have to do is, it is available in the 10,000, 10,000 and 10,002. That is 10,002 and this is 10,002. So the 10,002 company now is not available. It is available in the backup. Now what we have to do is, we have to restore that into this place. See here, F tally frame data. So into this, from G drive, we have to restore here. How to restore that? So here, if the company is deleted, now we have to restore the data. Now how we will restore is here. See, again we go, in this case, we have entries Alt Y or data, you click that. First of all, we did backup. Now we go to restore, select restore. And now here, the same thing here, what we will do is, here, select companies for restore. Select companies for restore. So restore destination path. Restore destination path, from where we taken backup, company is lost. So into the same place, the restore data will come. So F tally frame data is the original path. So it will come, that is the destination of the restoring. And list of companies and restore companies. So restore the companies will be here. Here, what we have to do is, we have to go to select. Here also 2 things. Select from drive, or you can see specify path we will take first. Specify path. So where we kept that, G : /backup 15.1.2.3. This is our backup file. So from that backup file, we have to bring here. If you click that, see here. So this is the destination file for restoration. In this, we will restore. From first of all, in the previous backup means from G drive, I mean F drive to G drive, we backed up. Now from backed up file G drive, we are restoring to F drive. So here, all the 2 are available. 2 are available. Okay. So here, our backup file is here. From this file, we have to restore. So which company is deleted? For example, if all the companies are corrupted, everyone we have to one by one we have to restore. In this case, now which company is deleted? This one, first one, 10,002 bill-wise entry 21. This one is damaged. So that if you click that, it will come to this place. And if this is also damaged, that also we can bring. So this is one. This is the thing. And next one, I will tell you another one. Here, sometimes now when you specify path, you specified G and backup 15.1.23, and we click, it has come here and the names are available here. But sometimes even if you do that, the destination, the backup path will be there, backup file and path will be there, but the names will not be available, because in such case there will be some problem in the backup path. Then what to do is, if these 2 are not available, then you have to go to, we don't do anything, go to data, click, see here, configure, data path will be there. So click the data path. This is the original data and this is our backup file. This is our backup file. This is our backup file. Sometimes our backup file is showing. Sometimes by default, it will show some other path. It will show some other path. This backup path will be some different path. In such a case, what we have to do is, we have to click that and we have to select from drive, where is our path, where is our destination, backup data is in G drive. In the G drive, this is our path. Select that, click that, that will be there. Then save it. So then save it. Then the names will be available. Then the names will be shown. If it is not available, if their names are available, directly we can select the company. It will come here. And now this is the only company we want to restore now. Then go to end of list. Just when accept. See here. Here, company is restored. That is, data is restored. But still, company is not shown. Data is restored. But still, the company is not shown. In such a case, we can do two things. Number one is just click escape and again come back. Don't click yes, because if you click yes or enter, it will be closed. Then you have to open again. Just again click no. Click no. And means come back again. See here. If you go escape and come back, now the restored company is available. Suppose we click escape and click no, come back. If you come back also, sometimes it will not be available. Again, it will not be available. In such a case, escape, and click yes and close down. Close down Tally Prime and again open that. Again open. In such case, definitely then the company will be shown here. So we'll enter here. You see, we checked up in the beginning. See, profit and the balance is 8,39,857, and in the profit and loss account, everything is there. Net profit 7,857, everything as it is. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so this is how we have to make the backup as well as restore. Now, next one. See here, one important information here. So here we are taking the data backup. We are taking the data backup and keeping in some other drive in the same system. Some other drive we are keeping. Okay. But if the total system is completely damaged, total system is crashed, or it has burnt out or crashed, in such case, all the drives will go. In such case, total, the original data as well as the data backup, everything will be gone. So in such case, what we will do? That is why it is better always to keep a copy or backup outside the system also, like in Google Drive, email, or pen drive. In this, any of this, either pen drive or in Google Drive or email, if you keep a backup, even if the total system is completely damaged or burnt or something happened, so when the system is repaired or when a new system is installed, new system is purchased, then the backup can be restored in the new system directly and we can continue the work. That is why always it is better to take the data backup in addition to the another drive. In addition to that, if you take the backup in some pen drive or Google Drive or email, it is better. Okay. So with this, today's topic is closed. And now here, one thing is, one request to all, you please subscribe to my channel when you visit the channel. If you have not already done, once only we can subscribe. If it is not already subscribed, you subscribe my channel and select bell icon, click that and select all. You will get the notification for all the videos which I upload, and share my channel with all the people, all your friends, as well as others who want to learn Tally Prime, as well as working accountants who are working with Tally ERP9. So if they want to learn Tally Prime, so to them also you share this. And one more important thing is, every video you watch till the end. If you skip in the middle, you cannot understand fully. So watch fully, and after watching fully, if the video is good, you like the video by clicking the thumb symbol. Click that and like the video. And your idea about this video, as well as any doubt or any clarification or not understand anything, you post your idea about this or your problem in the comment section of the video. Then I can understand about yourself. That is the communication between you and me. Okay, do that. And another thing is, and when you are watching the videos, I am uploading every day by date wise. You also watch the videos and practice the videos in the same order in which I am uploading. If you follow the same order, then you will gain expert knowledge and you will become expert accountants. I want you all to get expert knowledge and become expert accountants. In future, the main subject is in future. The main subject is coming. That is very, very important subject that you will learn like an expert. Okay. Fully, totally, we're not going to skip even a single topic. Everything I will teach you, and that is the thing. And another thing is, I told you that I will start my offline and online classes in this month for the first, and later that I told you not able to start it. I will start from after Sankranti. But now I decided I will upload a video also regarding this. This is the first batch I am starting. That is why you have to see a auspicious day. So 23rd January is the very auspicious day. On 23rd January, I will upload a video also. 23rd January, I am going to start online class as well as offline class. Online class from anybody from anywhere. And offline classes mostly for the people in Hyderabad. Okay. So online classes are okay. And offline classes I am going to start at Kukatpalli near Housing Board metro station. Just next to the metro station, there is an institute. In that institute, I am going to start the offline classes. Okay. And as regarding these online and offline classes, they are not free. They are charging a fees because I have to spend for that. So the fees will be very competitive compared to all other institutes also. For the Tally Prime, they will charge a lot of amount. I will charge very low fees comparatively with others, and the knowledge which you gain will be far away from them. They skip some topics. They don't know, or they cannot teach. So they skip some topics, and some topics they will just explain in theory, and the practical accounting they will not show. But I will show from the beginning to the end, even filing the GST returns, everything I will show you. I will show live returns also. I will show you. So you will get a very good knowledge. And if I will give my phone number in the video also. I will give my phone number. You can contact me before that, and we will select and we will start the batch offline and online. And I wish you all to become expert accountants. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Good night.